Hello, welcome to Outdoors. My name is Darren Nelson, Sales Manager of Outdoors RV Manufacturing here in La Grande, Oregon. Our company has three main cornerstones which we live by each and every day. Construct a better built, better insulated, better featured RV than the industry standard mass-produced travel trailer. Our founder, Ron Nash, has said over and over again, we will not be in the mass-produced industry standard RV. Our customers demand a better built RV. As you might already be able to tell, we're here at the factory today in La Grande. I'd like to take a few minutes to show you around some of the features we pride ourselves in building a better built RV. Let's start with our custom built off-road chassis. Towing is the key. We wish every customer could test pull trailers to see what a well-constructed RV tows like. Liability just doesn't allow this to happen in our industry. If you talk to the transport companies that tow these around North America, they'll be able to tell within the first 25 miles which trailers have the proper axles, tires, and chassis underneath them. Here are a few features we feel are very important for the foundation of one's camping investment. Each Outdoors RV custom-built chassis is designed per floor plan for weight and balance. Whether you have one slide out, two slide outs, three slide outs, a front kitchen, a rear bath, each one's designed per floor plan. Every chassis is cambered for extra shock absorption. We place extra angle iron for supports at all your shackle points. 4 shock absorbers are standard on all brands except for BlackRock. Ever considered about buying a truck without shocks? Didn't think so. Integrated one-piece A-frame that's welded through the front cross member for rigidity and extra ground clearance. The junction box for your RV is placed up behind this front cross member, protected from other road elements. While we have this chassis upside down, it's easy to see that we seal the ends of the A-frame so the little critters don't get up inside underneath your underbelly. Heavy-duty axles with easy loop hubs, and most models come with 5,200 pound axles, which is a 6-lug hub and an off-road brake system. On all of our brands but BlackRock, we upgrade to Goodyear Marathon radial tires for safety and warranty. And on most models, we use 15-inch tires versus the industry standard 14-inch tires for both ground clearance and better load capacity. You will also find us using an 8-ply 225 range tire versus the industry standard 6-ply 205 C range. In your shopping process, please take the time to research this very important aspect of the RV you're purchasing. Now I'd like to show you around our brand new lamination facility in which we construct each and every sidewall for every Outdoors RV brand. Fiberglass construction is the desired method in today's luxury motorhomes and fifth wheels. One quick look on the outside and all fiberglass may look the same. One thing you want to do in your research for your buying process is look what is behind each and every sidewall. Let's look at some of the mass-produced industry standard construction methods. Here's a standard wood-framed wall construction. And here's the Outdoors Built Tough 2-inch rugged bonded aluminum frame construction. And now the trend in today's aluminum frame trailers is to go to an inch and a half wall versus, again, the Built Tough Outdoors 2-inch bonded aluminum frame wall. When you're out there doing the shopping process, you'll see some competitors will claim to have an aluminum frame coach, and they only put aluminum frame in both sidewalls, and then they use that old style wood frame hung wall construction on the back wall and the front wall. Why do they do this? It's simply to save money, not to design a better built RV. Here's what we consider to be the absolute best construction method for your RV investment dollar. 2-inch rugged bonded aluminum frame on all walls. Both side walls, the rear wall, the front wall, and all 3 slide out walls. Our full 2-inch walls have up to 50% more insulation and strength compared to the industry standard. This facility is climate controlled for both humidity and temperature and is continuously monitored. Aircraft grade aluminum framing for true straight walls and rigidity. All our aluminum frame is iodine washed to remove 100% of the impurities, getting ready for the bonding process. Aluminum frame blocking for the rear ladder, such as where walls attached to floors or the roof attached to the sidewall, we insert wood blocking into these areas for extra support. We use rigid 2-pound foam versus industry standard 1.5 pounds, which is more dense and better insulated. Every fiberglass roll is dye tested for proper bonded adhesive, so we make sure we have 100% of the bonding process. Every wall in the bonding process sits on a frictionless table to help stabilize the wall. This is like an air hockey table. After the wall is bonded, we use a computer numerical controlled router, which you see behind me here, to make sure we have the most precision cuts in the windows, the slide outs, and entry doors. In taking an eco-friendly approach, we use these window route outs under our dinette seats for strength and insulation versus the industry standard OSB chipboard. We truly believe if most customers knew what was behind the sidewalls of their RVs they were looking at, they would not spend their investment dollar on something it shouldn't be. On our Timber Ridge, Wind River, Blackstone, and Glacier Peak fifth wheels, we upgrade the fiberglass to what's called High Gloss Lamilux 4000. It has the appearance of being freshly waxed year-round, which provides protection from scratches and those harmful UV rays that turn everything yellow over time. Here are a couple other construction items for you to consider during your shopping process. In our floor construction, instead of using the industry standard OSB chipboard, we use 5/8 inch tongue and groove exterior grade plywood. Roof construction, we use 3/8 inch marine grade plywood, which makes all of our roofs full walk-on, versus the industry standard using Luon or OSB board in their roof, so they're not a walk-on roof. On each and every brand that we produce here at Outdoors RV, we upgrade the roof to this 5-inch radius truss, which gives you extra water runoff, 5-inch extra headroom on the inside, and look at insulation. The insulation value on your industry standard truss is basically pinched and down to nothing on either side, where in this design you get full insulation from side to side. Also, look at the radius, the runoff on our truss versus the runoff on the industry standard. Once again, please take the time to diligently research the construction of the type of RV that you're looking at purchasing and demand the best construction processes for your family's investment dollar. Here at Outdoors RV, we also know customers are looking for companies that stand behind the RVs they produce. As you saw earlier today, we make a 2-inch rugged bonded aluminum frame. We back that with our industry-leading 2-year warranty. On our custom-built cambered chassis, we back that with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. That's all part of our Outdoors Built Tough 1-2-3 warranty. Once again, my name is Darren Nelson, Sales Manager here at Outdoors RV. We really appreciate the time that you took today to watch this Built Tough construction video. Also, we do research around our website. You'll see more videos to look at. And if you're ever in beautiful La Grande, Oregon, please stop by to meet us. We'd love to see you.